Your Excellency, loyalty is what you have shown us. And what Professor Kidiki has said is true. Honorable Aden Duale and most of us have little regard for money. Money is just legal tender. When you don't have money, it's because somebody else has. It leaves your hands, it goes to somebody else. Your Excellency had this team that worked around you, gave in to monetary offers. These people would be billionaires. Money was offered left, right, and center for the betrayal of William Ruto. But men and women of substance said, no, money is not everything. People must stand for something. And Your Excellency, we must also thank you because you have also been very loyal to your friends. And it's clear that a man who was persecuted because of standing with you today is the Minister for Defense in your government. A man whom I don't know whether he'll put in his book, who was almost assassinated on the 14th of August, Professor Kithure Kindiki, is today your Minister for Interior. Kipchumba Murkomen, who was thrown out of the Senate, is today your Minister for Transport and Roads. And you, as Trude, who was locked up every Friday, is your Deputy President. Your Excellency, it's about you. This loyalty is you. And I think it's a good thing for this country that people must know you must stand for something. And you must stand for what you believe in. So I want to say, Honorable Duale, thank you very much. I met Honorable Duale when we were in ODM. By the way, all of us were in ODM. President William Ruto was in ODM. Retired President Uhuru Kenyatta was in ODM. I was in ODM. Musalia was in ODM. So these young boys who came to ODM the other day, they should respect us as they are seniors in ODM. And we developed a good relationship with the Honorable Duale. Later on, we did one or two things in business. And he's also a man of honor. If you do a business together, he'll do what you have agreed. Unless he changes, I don't think he can change now. And later on, he came to Parliament, he was our leader and gave us very good leadership. And when he came to the presidential campaign, he gave it a lot of vigor, he gave it his all. Honorable Duale, we salute you. And what you have done is the right thing. And let everybody who has time put something down. With my exception, let me wait a little bit for Kenyans to get used to truth. Then at the right time, we shall do what we need to do.